Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be welding. Specifically, we're going to actually be welding a nut onto a stripped bolt, and we're going to attempt to remove it. This happens to be a crankshaft bolt. Let me show you exactly what we're talking about. It is this one right here. So I already got the nut picked out and I got everything ready to go. So let's go ahead and dive in. Just gonna stick that on there. Not a lot of visual, sorry. I'm also having a weird type of thing with my welder there. It's just, oh man, it's hard to work with these gloves. We could actually break it loose. I guess not so fast, right? I didn't even put any pressure on it and it already broke off. I hate to mess up my wrench, but it seems like I have no other way of going about it. So I've placed the wrench right on this thing, and I'm thinking about welding it on. But I guess before I do, I want to make sure that we have enough distance to turn it to begin with. So I'm just gonna have to weld it. So guys, take a look. I pretty much welded it on there. Question is this enough? Can you believe that? That's not an exciting voice, even though it sounded like it. Man, this thing is giving me a hard time. It's not working. I'm gonna have to weld it again. Okay.
Like it's on fire.
I'm also going to apply a torch. you believe that? How hard is this thing to weld onto? Jeez. Just gonna tap a hole in here. We're gonna be drilling. Try it. To drill it, it is taking a while, so I'm not recording the whole process, but we're already past the actual bolt. The hole is actually this big, and the size bit that I'm using is big enough to fit through that hole. So the idea is actually drill it, and then once I get kind of like deep enough, I have a special tool that's cross-threaded that I could bang in there and spin things out. So I think I'm at a point where I could switch to a smaller one. Electric drill compared to battery, it's just so much different, so much better. It's almost like no comparison. Guys, I was kind of thinking, look, I drilled this already kind of like almost big enough. What if I stick a bolt in there and then weld around it? Thank you so much, Jason. So I just need to make the hole a little bit bigger so I could tap this inside, weld around it, and then use this to actually remove it. This is gonna work. Look at that, it doesn't. Can you believe? Yes, we should call this a bolt from hell, man. That's crazy. Let's see if we can have any luck now. Nope. Can you believe this? Took the bolt clean out. Gosh, this is crazy. Well, I don't care about the bolt. That was a good bolt, but how can this be so stuck? Doing it this way. I think it's spinning. Yes. Finally! Finally! Woo! Finally! After all this trouble. Finally.
Yes!
We did it! Woohoo!
Dad, I like this mask the best.
Yeah, this is actually a really special mask. It gets dark automatically. Whenever you're welding, it gets dark. Never give up. Never give up, right, boys?
Yeah.
Cannot give up.
I would never give
Cannot
up.
let this bolt win. After all this time, we took it out. Look, doesn't even look that bad. How was it so stuck? That's crazy. All right, time to go to YMCA. We did it.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.